snowflakes to go on a Christmas tree.
Let's see. Oh, fancy.
We can put it, but other people want to bring us Christmas presents to put on the Christmas tree. Because they knew we needed more.
Yeah, I guess they did.
And a candy cane. I'm gonna put this on the Christmas tree.
Cool.
Mrs. Joseph is so friendly. Hey, what are you doing this for?
Playing with the camera. Do you want to plug the Christmas lights in? Don't hurt yourself. Good.
So she can play with it.
Mm-hmm. Are you going to open your present?
Yeah. A leapfrog! That's what I wanted!
You got a leapfrog? From Santa?
Look it! Leapfrog! Yay! Free to play whatever! Now I can play whatever you want to play! On it!
What do you think?
Leapfrog! Ah.
Are you pretty excited?
Hey, how come it's not even working yet?
It's still in the package. We'll set it up for you, don't worry.
That's pretty cool. You got what you asked for, didn't you?
Yeah, Santa.
Because Red knew you were pretty good yesterday with helping clean up, right?
And she's watching me right now. And she knows I love a leapfrog. For Hannah. Like it?
What do you think, Hannah?
Oh, that crazy hair. She likes the octopus.
She does like
Is this
that.
for me?
You were opening this one, I thought.
This is my turn.
Thanks for the smile. Okay, do you want to put it away? Don't drop it. Put it away nicely.
All we had to give you was wrapping paper. Hey, Hannah?
Wow, there's still a lot of presents over here. I'll keep getting in more for you. This one's for Mommy. We'll take that to Mommy.
Jill, back up. Thank you.
This one too. And this to Mom.
Oh, thank you.
And this on the floor for her. Thank you. This one's for Hannah.
A baby! This is for babies!
Give it a good rip, Hannah.
Princess matching game. Where's it from? Here's the tag. Merry Christmas, Karen and friends from Mom and Dad X. Daz and Karen and Dad X. Cool. The dentist? Oh yeah, those are cool. Are you gonna finish? Are you gonna finish?
Oh, Hannah's gonna like that, isn't she?
That's very